Today we start the important topic, that is the topography and soil type. It is important for that when we construct the ponds, that time it is very important topography and the soil type of the premises. First of all, about the topography. Topography or the layout of land is the surface feature of watershed. What I am telling that means shape of land is the first important consideration in the selection of site. Topography of a site is important not only for consideration of economic of actual construction but from cost of further maintenance also. This is the main view, that is the land is the first important consideration in the selection of site. It determines the numbers and the kind of ponds to be constructed with the basis of topography. Then and the ideal pond must have the following topographical features. Means the location for fish farm is the land that is flat or slope. All are the points for the ideal pond. They are the points. The ground should neither to be too flat nor too hilly. The ideal is a slight depression with high land on three sides and a narrow outlet on the fourth one. Such pond can be easily evacuated and drained dry when needed. Okay, the ground should have natural slope to evacuate the pond down the slope without any extra expenditure of energy or the cost. Means circular factor in the pond location for the purpose of drainage. The topography by engineering should be permitted the pond to be drained completely dry. They can also be done by pumping, but this is very costly and can be avoided where adequate natural drainage exists. All ponds in an agriculture complex must be constructed in such a way that each pond can be drained individually with no water passing from one pond to the other pond. This is the important point. The best place of such combination of slope and water supply are found one more or less flat ground between the hills. If the valley is wide, parallel ponds can be constructed, but when it is narrow, the pond can be made one after another in a line. This is about the topography. Then the next important point, that is the soil type or the soil quality. The following features of soil should be considered before the construction of fish pond. Right? Means important factor of the soil type, that is a several factor can be considered while determining the quality of soil. Two aspects of soil quality are important ponds culture, that is the main one is the fertility and the water retention. The soil of fish pond must be a ability to hold water. For this, clay is the suitable. Clay soil should water, and when mixed with silt, the water holding capacity further increases. The sand and soil have poor water retaining capacity and a high rate of seepage, making the soil unfit for fish culture. Sandy and rocky soils, when used, need much expenditure to correct them. Soil should be rich in nutrient. A good soil on which the crop may grow well considered nutrient rich. The pH of soil should be the range 7.2 to 9.0. slightly alkaline. Depth should be the 1.5 meter. Fertile is not always a major consideration because in crop practice the fish most nutrition from natural occurring organisms which are present in the soil, right? Then the pH already I told that to 7 to 9. The chemical nature of soil should have nitrogen not more than 0.1, phosphorus not more than 0.1, organic carbon 1%, free calcium carbonate below 5%. All are the function, all are the quality of soil quality. And water retention, that is water retention is very important, and thus the soil must be uh, improves so as not to allow the percolation. Important thing, the site to be avoided are rocky and sandy soils, gravels, shales, and all these things because they are the harmful to the fishes. In case of soil, eliminate the leakage. Some of the variety of soil may be used. One of the most important soil for the benefit, addition of clay. All the important points of the soil things. Thank you.